Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
Wa Islam.
My name is Muhammad Ammar Jawaiya, and my question is it possible for a dead person to see what's happening to his close relatives on earth?
You see, if God wishes, He can let the person know that what is happening in the world. But it is up to Allah Ta'ala. So if a person is a very pious person and he prayed for his children, his progeny to be pious and faithful and sincere and honest, and so when he goes there, and they are the relatives are also praying that Allah Ta'ala show him how we are living according to his desire or not. So if they are living according to the desire of the deceased person, then Allah Ta'ala may show him what is happening in this world, but it is up to Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala knows better. So if we send Durood to the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then that Durood goes to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and when he sees the Ummah is doing good according to his teaching, then he will be happy. If he sees and God tells him that Ummah is not doing good and not following the true teaching of Islam, then he will not be happy. So this is why we say Durood, we offer Durood, and to make the Holy Prophet ﷺ happy, we should do good deeds. Right? For other ordinary person, it is up to Allah Ta'ala whether He wants to show him or not. Right?
Jazakallahu.
Right?